Hey guys, today we're making Maui Wowee Hawaiian BBQ smoked pork ribs using these Swift Meats pork loin back ribs along with Spiceology Maui Wowee and my very own pork rub. You can find the Swift Meats pork loin back ribs at your local Costco, and you can find both of the rubs at spiceology.com. One thing I love about these back ribs is that the membrane is already removed off the back, so all we have to do is start adding our seasoning. We're gonna start with some soy sauce, and we're gonna rub that in nicely. You wanna make sure that you get it fully coated. It's gonna help marinate the meat, and it's gonna serve as a binder. Next, we're gonna apply the Maui Wowee. This has kind of a tropical island flavor to it. It's got some notes of sesame, some pineapple, even some rice hulls blended in here. Then my pork rub also is a little bit sweet. It's got some coconut sugar in here, along with some different chilies to add just a little bit of heat, as well as salt and garlic. Get that nice and even on both the back side and the top side, repeating with the same soy sauce and both the rubs. Go ahead and set up your smoker to 250 degrees with indirect heat using a fruit wood. That's going to help with the island flair. Get your racks on there and get them nice and spread out. At the 3-hour mark, they should start to form a beautiful bark on them. That's when you know it's time to make the sauce. We're going to set a sauce pot in the house on medium to medium-low heat and add brown sugar, butter, honey, rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, Maui Wowee rub, pork rub, sesame oil, and salt, and cook that down until it's dissolved. It'll take about 10 to 15 minutes. Now you should be at the 3.5-hour mark. There's a really nice bark on it, so it's time to paint that barbecue sauce right on top. Then you're gonna let it finish cooking for another 30 minutes. That's gonna allow it to get nice and sweet and sticky. You wanna cook it to an internal temp between 205 and 210. That's when you know they're done. Garnish them with some green onions, a little bit of sesame seeds, slice them up, serve them with some white sticky rice, a little bit more of that Hawaiian barbecue sauce, and then serve them up. Dinner is going to be delicious. The whole family's going to love it. Be sure to get the recipe at girlscangrill.com.